Hey everyone, Joe here. Well, today I got a review on the Rode PSA1 microphone boom arm, and I got a little setup video to go along with that. This is a piece of kit that I've been using for 4 years, and I thought I'd actually get around doing a review on it. But before we get to the review, check out this awesome product from Shampoo.
Shampoo Burning Studio 21 is a versatile software to burn CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray disc. Easily create movie discs with animated menus, slideshows, and audio disc. The built-in cover designer produces covers and inlays for all disc types. Burning Studio 21 features an exciting new carousel navigation menu system. Enjoy the deprogrammed menu navigation with the ability to select your favorite modules for instant access. Plus new tailor-made profiles for car radios, CD changers, and mobile storage media. Learn more and download your free trial by clicking the link in the description below.
Okay, welcome back everybody. So I want to talk about why I'm making this review. Now, like I said, I've had this thing for like 4 years now. And there already is like 2 million videos on YouTube reviewing the PSA1 because it's like the top of the line microphone boom arm. However, I thought to myself when I was making my video, schedule and stuff for the year, coming up with ideas and stuff, what I want to make videos and stuff for, that, I thought to myself, I haven't actually reviewed this yet. And I got thinking, well, I probably don't need to. There's probably enough videos on YouTube about it. So I thought I'd go check out some of the videos on YouTube. And I'm sorry I didn't make a review on this 4 years ago. Because let's just be honest, most of the reviews on YouTube stink. It's people just reading off specifications and don't really know much about the actual item they're using. So I thought I'd do a proper review and show you guys and gals how to set this item up, because there's things they don't talk about. They don't talk about that you can run the microphone cable internally. They don't talk about how to actually set the tension on the thing. And so I thought I'd do a proper video on it and give you a review, because this is actually a long-term video, obviously, long review, because I've had it 4 years. So that's why I want to do a review on it, even though there's probably enough videos out there. I want to give you some proper information out on this boom arm, because like I said, there's a lot of half information out there. So let's get in here and start talking about it. Okay, let's kind of go over the specs a little bit, just to kind of cover our bases on this review. The Rode PSA is a studio boom arm for radio, broadcast, studio, and home use. Obviously, I'm using my own home studio. It provides 360 degrees of rotation. However, if you did this with the microphone boom arm, you'd probably twist your cable in two, so don't do that. Although it will let you move it around wherever you need to. Now, it says here the PSA1 has a maximum reach of 32 inches by 33 inches, and that is maximum. You don't want to really stretch it out that far, because it'll be like, it will look bad. Don't do that. Okay. So about, between like 24 to 28 inches, around 2 feet is about the best, reach for it without overstretching that thing. It does come with some Velcro straps. Yay, with Rode name on there. Yeah, you only get 3 of these. Yeah, I don't know why they give you 3. You actually need about 4 or 5, to be honest with you. At least 4, But they only give you 3. I guess that's better than nothing. All right. Now, Rode says it holds microphones weighing as less as 1.5 to 2.4 pounds, which covers their high-end microphones. But let's be honest. My microphone's not a pound and a half. I'm using the SC Electronics V7 microphone, and it only weighs, it in the mount here is less than 0.7 of a pound. So obviously you can run, a lighter microphone on it. You just have to learn how to tighten the tensions. Yes, those screws, there's 3 of those on this arm, each one of the joint spots. You can tighten them, and it will hold it. Okay. Now, it also comes with a thread ace, adapter, and also the 5/8 adapter to go on top of the 3/8 thread. And the price of this thing is about $99 at the time of making this video. Price is subject to change, but it pretty much stays around $99. Okay, I got some few more notes and stuff I want to go over here that I wrote down. So, first of all, no one mentions you can tighten the screws on the side to increase the tension. No one also mentions that you can run the cable internally. Not even Rode mentions that in their manual. Neither one of those things. They show you, hey, here's how you mount it to a desk, but it doesn't really tell you crap about the thing. It's kind of lame. Now, the cons of this thing. What are the cons of this microphone boom arm? Well, the springs are noisy out of the box. How did I get mine so quiet? I oiled the damn thing. Yeah, a little bit of sewing machine oil, fixed the problem. No more squeaky squeaky. I can't stand squeaky. Another con about it. The chrome tighten tensioners here you tighten down, they're really too small to be tightened with your hand and actually hold it where you want it in position. I've got actually on the back side here, I use wire pliers on this particular one all the time just to kind of tighten it a little tighter, and it's starting to chew away at the chrome a little bit because it's just really can't tighten the thing with your fingers and actually hold it correctly. I really wish they would have like one of those locking mechanisms they use like on bicycles these days, especially the sports bikes. And that way you can tighten it up, then clamp it down. Yeah, that would have been really nice here. If I can't think of the actual proper name. If I can find a picture on YouTube, I'll stick it over in the corner. Or a picture on the internet, I'll post it in the corner so you can see what I'm talking about. Those really do help. I really wish these had that. Okay, like I said, the instruction manual stinks. Doesn't tell you anything other than don't clamp it on weird objects. That's basically about it. The instruction manual is pretty bad. But what are the pros about this one? Well, it's pretty much all metal, very durable. So yeah, I've had it 4 years. It's fine. Maybe it has a scratch or two on it, but it just lasts. It's a good piece of equipment. You buy it for life, basically. And like I said, it holds a good amount of weight. Yeah, up to around 2.5 pounds, no problem. And it comes with 2 different mounting options, which most of your mounts and stuff you buy, online, your cheaper ones stuff only come with one mounting type. So that's the pros and cons about it. Pretty much my thoughts. And like I said, it's a good one. Now, I like it, recommend it. Plan on buying another one for too long to use on my daughter's desk. And that's also a reason I want to buy it, is because I need another desk insert, because I got one in that desk, and Rode doesn't seem to sell any of the extra metal desk inserts, which I wish they did, because, maybe if you actually move your arm, maybe you forgot and left one at an old desk and threw the desk away or something other. Really wish they did that. So anyway, let's get on with the setup part of this video, and I'm going to show you how to set everything up. It's pretty much easy, but I thought I'd do a video on it anyway to help you guys and gals out. So check out the video. Okay, before I forget to mention this, if you want to completely hide the microphone XLR cable, you can run it through the base of the PSA1 boom arm. That's only when you're using the desk insert mount though. Now, like I mentioned, you do get 2 mounts with this, the chrome metal insert mount that goes in the desk, and you also get the clamp style that goes on the side of your desk. Now, the insert type mount will require somebody to drill a hole through your desk, so I'm not going to explain that in this video because normally most people are not comfortable doing that, and those who are don't need a tutorial. Now, the clamp one is pretty easy. Just put it on the side of the desk where you got a good flat place to actually clamp it down, and just simply tighten it down. And once you got that done, all you got to do is set the base of the PSA1 into the mount. Okay, now installing the cable is actually pretty easy. Now, what I did was actually cut my cable 2 meters longer than it would come out of the base. That way I have plenty of, cable to get around the desk and everything. Now what you want to do here is kind of push the cable through the top channel. Do keep in mind sometimes it might get a little snagged at the little plastic clip towards the elbow at the end. But once you got it out, kind of push it around the back side the same as you did the top, and it will come out the bottom. Do keep in mind it might get a little snagged down there also. Once you got that done, you can then run it through the little plastic piece down here at the bottom. That kind of keeps it from getting hung up on anything. Though personally, I think that little plastic piece is kind of useless. Okay, then now you're going to have to do a little bit of soldering here. So if you're not comfortable soldering, you may want to get somebody else to do this. we will need to remove the original end off the cable so we can reattach it to the shortened part of the cable we have run through our boom arm. Now, before we start doing any kind of soldering, do make sure you put the end of your XLR connector on the cable, as you won't be able to put it on after you've done started soldering the wires to the connector. And once we've got that soldered, all we got to do is put the ends back on, and we're ready to use the cable. Now all you got to do is just reconnect your cable and plug up your microphone and stuff, and you're ready to go. Okay, everyone. Well, my final thoughts. I recommend it. It's a good piece of kit. I use it all the time. Been using it 4 years straight. Holds up day-to-day use. It is pretty much what you expect for $100. You know, you get your money's worth with this microphone boom arm. Why did I get this one over, say, a cheaper one? 1, the weight, and 2, I don't want to see the springs, and 3, I can hide the cable. And I've been using it for quite a few years, and just now I actually got around to hiding the cable because I've been kind of lazy. But those are the 3 reasons I wanted this boom arm compared to like a cheaper one that you could get for like $50. And so for those reasons, if you're looking one where you can hide the cable and you want to hold a lot of weight, durable, I recommend this one. If you just want a cheap one to hold a little USB microphone or something, probably one of the cheaper ones, something newer or something, will probably be more up your alley. But if you're worried about size and weight and want to make it look really nice and stuff for the camera, then the Rode PSA1 is the best way to go in my honest opinion. So anyway, that's it for this video. Hope this review helped you out. If it did, how about give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up's always highly appreciated. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, please take the time to subscribe. Subscribe is free. It's for you. Let you know when I release more videos. Until next time, everyone, thank you for watching.